Sup, fuckers? It's me, your boy, Memphis Cobb, and today, sorry, my table's a flippin' mess. Today, we're doing another shirt review, or unboxing video. Yeah, that's what I call them. I forgot. Anyways, so yeah, today we're doing another unboxing video. This actually is not going to be in a box or a bag like my other ones. This is just a shirt because I've been wearing it for like I wore it last week and I just forgot to review it. So, anyways, so we're going to review it. This time it's actually not a band or rapper t-shirt. It's actually going to be a YouTuber's merch t-shirt. And it's going to be my favorite YouTuber. So some of you guys might know it. Some of you guys might not know my favorite YouTuber, but you will know by the end of this video who it is. So yeah, I'm just going to put it on, show you guys what it looks like, and so yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here it is, and as you can tell, it is the Pewdiepie meme review merch. As you can tell, it says meme review. Here it says M-E review right here. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but it's, yeah, right here it says, please be patient where only, wait, please be patient, we're 9 years old. So, yeah, so it says right here, and then on the sleeve it says, it has like these two like hands, and it says clap clap for like meme review. You know what I'm saying? If you watch PewDiePie, you understand. Yeah, it says it has that on both sleeves, and yeah, the shirt's really cool. It came in two colors. It was this blue, and then it came in like this like reddish orange, I guess. I haven't bought it, so I don't really know exactly, but yeah, I bought the blue one because I thought it looked better. And yeah, the shirt's super super comfortable, not uncomfortable. It's super comfortable. It's a long sleeve. Yeah, I think they're actually what's it called? You can't buy them anymore. So I forgot, they're sold out or something. I don't know exactly, but yeah, it was like $55, so it was pretty expensive, but it was worth it because I've never had actually YouTubers merch before, like real YouTuber merch. So I'm really excited. This is my first one, and yeah, I think it looked really cool. You know, I'll show it to you guys standing up. This is what it looks like. You know, 360 right there. So yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. You know, I think you guys should. Well, it's actually too late to buy it, so you can't buy it, losers, unless you already bought it before. But yeah, I don't really know how to explain it because I don't really know like what fabric things are, but it's really good quality. You know, the stuff is good quality. You know, everything's pretty good quality. I'll give it a 10 out of 10 in the shirt review. I guess I'm doing ratings now. So yeah, I really enjoyed it. So PewDiePie, if you're watching this, which I like really doubt it, shout me out. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing my part. Anyways, so yeah, I hope PewDiePie wins versus T-Series, and so yeah. Frick, I forgot my outro. Oh yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, tell a friend, even if they're imaginary. Don't forget to rock on. See you guys later.